Don't forget to like and subscribe.
You know, say, me can't come a Vinci. I'm gonna play my boy. Cause you know who are my boy. The great. I'm gonna say it one more time. Great. And one more time. Great. Zion I. Do your thing, Zion.
So half the young people living without job, who ain't turning hoes and bowlers, they thieving and robber. You say how they lazy and they don't see head. They don't give you so much in a row and can't buy a bread. Reaper man Ralph, Reaper man Ralph, you and Facebook got Julian on your mash up the land. Reaper man Ralph, Reaper man Ralph, you and that head dog Julian on your mash up the land.
It's countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Now, look at the screen in front of you. That is Sarge. You understand? Youth from out of St Vincent. Last Saturday was his funeral. You understand? Now, on the left side of the screen, that's the youth who killed Sarge. You understand? I want everybody know that. Them think countryman know, but me know. I him kill Sarge. I'm never going on a breakdown. I'm not telling you everything. Because when you know say Sanga is behind this. Sanga and Sarge used to be cool and things. But then disrespect Sarge. So Sarge draw away from them. And from Sarge draw away from them. Happy things can go, happy things start happening. Now, them have a rumor, I say, Sarge, give the man them bullet, where shoot up the 5 man, them Sanga brother, our cousin, the one them were dead, the 5 man, them last year. So them I say Sarge was a part of that. Give the man them bullet, but I lie them I tell. Them good Sarge, because Sarge now par with them. And the youth a step up and I try make some money and I try take care of them family and I try move on. Cause nobody no perfect, you know. No, I want people understand the dynamics. In a lieu, you have the Gaines brother, the Gaines family. And you have the Lynch family. And the Gaines family seems like they might take revenge on the Lynch family for things that did happen from long time, you understand? So, that kind of jump off the war in a layer. Now, the war started with a youth named Tambo. Because Tambo left St Vincent and go to blood clot America. And him end up go to prison and get deported and come back to St Vincent. And the boy Tambo rob a shop down at St Vincent. Now, when we say rob a shop in a St Vincent, is a place when you betray cause that's where Tambo come from. I want you to listen to me cause you see Tambo, him do the robbery and the police then blame Billy and a youth named Jamaica. The way to one of them do it, but listen to how oxymoronish this is now. Billy go to prison for kill Jamaica uncle. When him doing time and come out now, him start par with Jamaica. And guess what? Jamaica kill him. Cause Jamaica know say Billy did kill him uncle. The whole of Leo know that. The whole of the ghetto know that. Yo, the man them are some topsy-turvy bumbleclad gangster. Hey, let me go and tell you what happened here, man, before me start getting pissed off. After them kill Billy, them kill a youth name Malik, them kill a youth name Kevin, and them also kill a youth name Tumba, the boy will get deported and rob the shop. Now, who do all of them killing ya? Me just a tell me now what happened and how Sanga come in the picture. And the Gaines family them, cause them have 3 brothers. One of them must be dead now. And them I do all of the killing. So, yo, because of all of the killing, we are going in LA. The people them want help. So now them draw for the bottom feeder ya. They name Metal. Metal, me know say enough for creator. Me know say you are one big pussy hole bottom feeder. And the man them in a lay draw for you. And that's how Sanga take him time creep up in a lay. And now lay and biggest stronghold. Sanga a wall a girl in a lay where my fuck. So remember now, Metal or Mental, sorry, I'm gonna change it. Mental, him, I want a Sanga shooter. And I saw Sanga come into play. Now, the Gaines brother challenge the youth here, left eye. And left eye down with Sanga. And I saw comes the whole of the man then start team up now. You understand? Now people, they are outline everything to me, you know. Now, you see the Gaines brother will get software and Mental do it. You see the black youth when we do a video for the name Smoke and Mental do it. You understand? Because the youth them in a lay, the Gaines brother them a make them fart to rotted. They draw for Sanga and also come Sanga come in. So we just want to know what go on. Now me I tell you something else.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
With that said, the other 2 Gaines brother them run them here, so one must be Antigua and one they are foreign, must be England. Now, talk about some other issue, but it pertaining to them set a bottom feeder. Yeah. Now, I want to talk about the boy Mapp. Because you see Mapp, you are one big bottom feeder pussy. You burn down people's house, you understand? You burn down 2 houses in a lay and you burn up a man Jeep. You understand? Now, you are flex with gay boy shutter. You understand? And you not do dirty work for Sanga. You understand? Cause look on the little pussy the Sanga recruit. Gay boy shutter are out there and terrorize the people them in a lay. Well, yo, me, I go speak up for the people them. If nobody don't want to speak up, countryman, I go speak up. Now, in a President Sanga cabinet, right, that you can pirate, would be like the Secretary of State. You understand? And him, really at the top man, Sanga, go through him. Now the man them mobilize over 20 or 30 youths in the area, you know, in a lay, you know. And them have program the youth them. And then make the youth them join these hives. So the him pirate are the Secretary of State and him lead all of the charges. Everything come to him first. And then them other 2, you know. Now you see Oranson, him a chief of staff, you understand? And then you have the one you know, him a operational manager. You understand? The boy Mapp. So them underneath pirate. Now, when we hear from my intel that pirate, all pirates are do, I sit down in a house, I hide out, I send out them youth to go to fuck with through Sanga order, and I breed up and I fuck off the young girls them in a St Vincent. What a way to go, eh? What a workless set a bottom feeder man them. And them a murder of people who them say them not deal with. Now, last night a little thing won. So last night a little shooting won down a place named Pole Yard. And down a Pole Yard, the boy small man, him run down a Pole Yard, a film ends, and you know say him and Sanga them nah agree, and you know say small man, he was linking with Sarge. You understand? So right now, St Vincent turn up, and you know say a Sanga, since him come back in that town, my highlight and my outline everything for now. Because of the Gaines brother them and the Gaines family, the man them a Leru draw for Sanga. And now that Sanga come in a Leru, he a terrorize the whole place. He a get harder with man like Shubu. You have Oranson. You have the nigga named Mapp. And then you have the super killer, Mental. The whole of them down there. Now, my intel them tell me, say, the way the man them so powerful, the boy named Pirate. Police come in them house, find a bag of gun, and they never get charged. You understand? And them kind of link that the man them a work in the city dog, in a Kingston, in a St Vincent. Mental improve gun pan people in a Juve, in a carnival last week. And police though, he shake off him hand and say, give him an applause. So, them man ya, them come back with a venge. Remember now, them a recruit new shatter, like Gay Boy, Kelly, you understand? And like the youth where, Slap where, Sarge, the one where them call name Track. And youth like this, now look on the bottom feeder Shubu. Him have a young youth there, Azzy. Him a recruit the youth here as a shatter. You understand? Youth are one of them shatter, plus another youth there named Bell. How much of the young youth them are get influenced by the BI, Sanga, Mental, Shubu, Pirate, Oranson, and the man them a turn Leru upside the down. So I want to know where the police and the government are going to do about this. Now, you have downtown man them too. Them complacent in enough fuckery we have one. And the Sanga and in general them a do. Them a import youth from downtown and other place come up in a Leru, come do fuckery. You understand? So I just lay it out to you. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out, and more video coming past St. Lucia everywhere. You understand? Everywhere. Where the hotness there, me there, I draw them out. Listen, no rest for the bomber cloud wicked yo.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.